I'm ripping back up that again. That was a blast. I might go a little farther this time. Down the steep boat rocks. The steep boat rocks. Woo! Give me a rush. That was funny. I was like, oh shit. Oh, that's the footage I need right there. Woo! Yeah, this thing is a beast. Did you hear that sputtering though? I want to clean that up. Log hop. Oh man, that was a nice big hop. Yeah, that was cool. I think I'd be able to lug this a little lower if I change the gear ratio for this type of stuff. I locked up on this one last time, but let's see how this is going to go.
If you made it to here, I'm glad you're watching. Please stay tuned for the tire change, fine-tuning adjustments. Like and subscribe!